So this is morning of day 5, and last night was a mess. It was just a mess. No good camp spots, no good camping for at least, 10 miles or so since we crossed the dam. Nothing. The few things that looked decent, we were like, that's still not great. Until about 8 something last night, which you can see hopefully some in the video of going by flashlight or by headlamp. But about 8 something last night, we finally come through a few rapids in the dark. Just had to make this work. This is a mud hole. It's about a 30-foot embankment up to the top, but if you can see it, we're at the top of the hill, and this is still the ground. Like, it's squishy, nasty mud, vines everywhere. We were slipping and sliding off the side of the embankment. I don't know if you can tell, but I hung my hammock a little out of level because I couldn't really tell the levels because there's a hole down there and up here. And so my head's here. It should be way up here. I've slid down to one side, but pretty much too tired to care last night. So we're eating bugs.
Kevin, come get in the mud, man. Straight.
Oh, I'll be right there with you. Hey, could you pack my stuff up while I stand on this mat? Would you do that for me? Sure. All right, so we're gonna get up and get this mess cleaned up and in the boats. No one wants to stay at this spot longer than we have to. So let's do another day.
I don't want to hear anything out of you, Mr. Monster.
What? DD, look at them stashing all the teas in there. They bought every tea they had at that gas station.
Well, where's your monsters at?
You don't worry about me. You don't worry about me one bit. So, you can see we're camped up there. This is just as muddy here. There's the hill that we came up. It's probably 20 foot up to this level, and it is slick and covered in vines. I think we're all but done packed up. I think the only thing left is breakfast because nobody wanted to get their chairs and stuff out, so I think we're cooking on top of the boats or whatever. But I'm ready to get back in the water and find that perfect campsite tonight. Right?
At 7:30.
7:30? Yeah. We did sleep good though. Hope not. Whoa. It was going so pretty and then it started trying to tip. Oh boy. Oh, mule. Whoa. Let's see if I...
Count it as a swim?
No.
No.
Oh, so now we're going back to defining swims again.
Oh, hey.
Austin would have counted it as a swim.
Oh, he's in water.
So only when you're getting out it doesn't count as a swim. Oh, see, okay. Getting in, that's a swim. Getting out, no.
Well, I mean, if you swim in 6 inches of water, that's kind of on you. But if you fall in off a bank that's 4 foot deep,
That's kind of on you too.
oh God, I'm hot already.
Get him out a little bit. Come on, where you at?
Get it, DD.
Dobber.
Gonna get in the
Look at
brush.
Oh, he's got
Oh.
a whale on there this morning.
Oh,
Pull it on in.
look at that.
Oh man, look at that.
Man, that's a shot right there.
I guess if you can't catch big fish, just bring a smaller rod and it feels better.
Well, you can be a smaller person too.
Boys. I like how that flew off and you pretended.
When you go beyond the drive to explore what lies around the next bend, and the push to see just how far we can go, occasionally you'll get a day when the miles just come easy. And on those days you'll get a chance to reflect on all the blessings given to you for pushing through those boundaries. Whether it be beautiful weather, amazing scenery, or, if in our case, a day of smooth waters with no dams to go around. Just make sure you never forget to slow down and look around you and figure out just what blessings the river gave you today.
with the right side of the boat now. Yep. Yeah, let it wash, let it wash. Good. Woo!
Loney.
That's probably the best rapid we've seen all day right there. Over here. Wash to your right. Wash to your right.
There you go.
Woo! Killing it.
Portage bonus round. Bonus round. Bonus round.
Commit, Kev.
What, getting out?
To get wet.
Oh, I'm getting wet.
Last time we ever saw us paddle. I'd stay deep, dirt Dobber. Just commit. There we go. Yes, doesn't that feel good? Ooh, yeah. Paddle.
Oh. Trying to make this work. It's up here, man. And I thank you. Look at that. No, I got in and then Pete's like, what are you doing? I was like, oh, that's a great idea. Great idea was moving the log out of the way. Pete's thinking about some of these spots. I saw that spot right up there. Did you see it?
We all saw it.
Yeah, on the other side of Pete there is. I'm gonna tell you. Whew. How you doing, brother? Good. How you doing?
You don't like
What's the matter? I'm just carrying it. I'm just carrying it. Okay. I'm just carrying it.
The red light is just.
No, is it? The red light means it's in the plate. He y'all too, man. I'm gonna hit the head or hit the head. I'm hit the go. Hit the street. Now you got me all nervous. Come on, man.
He don't like the camera.
So,
sorry guys, we gotta get a picture. He's gotta go.
Anonymous has hooked us up for some Burger King tonight.
Oh, we're gonna post it.
Oh, we know.
But not tonight.
But he doesn't have to.
Above all the wonders and beauty we see, all the excitement and thrills we go through, I've realized over the years that it's who the river's brought into my life that may be the greatest blessing of all. Some I've paddled with hundreds of miles, and some just a few. Others I've only known through sharing these adventures and videos. But when I look back across the water to see the other faces there with me, it's not just my crew or my friends. They became family to me, and my life is fuller for having them there.